What's up, YouTube? In this video, well, I haven't been doing a lot of garden videos recently, so I decided to go ahead and tune on and show you how things are doing at my place. It's February here in Tennessee. I haven't done any gardening videos since November, but you know, February in Tennessee is kind of equal to March in northern states. So anyway, let's take a peek here. Right, so here's the compost bins. I showed you them earlier in the season. Anyway, lots and lots of organic material. Kind of a little sloppy here. Anyway, over here, are you ready for it? I've been adding a lot of organic matter, as you can see from the slew of kitchen scraps. To mix in with this, I have a pile of sawdust here, but I have to be careful how much I add. Alright, well, let's head down to the garden plots and see how those are doing. Sorry if I've got some backlighting, sun's behind me. Anyway, alright, so now I'm heading down to the garden, so I can show you what that looks like. Very barren, obviously, just like it was in November. Only I've been continuing to add more organic material and compost as it finishes. Obviously, compost production has slowed down a lot, simply because it's colder. Here's the plot. As you can see, I've added some much better dirt. If you remember my earlier videos, the earth was a lot worse than this. Here's some compost. If you look here, you can see a lot of different organic materials. There. Anyway. Over here, I have some leaf mounds. I'm going to spread these out as the season goes on. Here are some finished compost that I've added in here. I covered it with leaves to keep it moist. Anyway, here you can see it. The worm activity has increased a lot more as well. Here's another pile of organic matter. But there's thick levels of leaves here. This is going to act as a mulch, so maybe prevent some of the weeds. Anyway, I don't want to walk on my garden beds too much. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Kind of, the trellis kind of got whacked up. There's still some remains of the cucumber vines on here, but it's mostly as if it never happened. All empty here. All empty. And then here is the middle garden. I haven't added a lot of compost simply because the earth quality was a lot better to start with. But you can see some there and some leaves spread throughout here. So last year and several years beforehand, I was focusing on vegetables for my garden. Anyway, now I am swapping over to flowers this year. So I'm mostly going to do flowers, maybe a few garden veggies. But yeah, mostly flowers. So that's what the garden looks like this year.